Okay, good morning everybody. In the last class we have seen binary trees and its terminology, like what is a tree and what is a node, left node, right node, height, level, depth, and different formula related to the trees concept. In this class we will see a binary search tree. The binary search tree is a binary tree which follows the binary search property. So what is that binary search property? We will see. Okay, this is very important concept in data structures. Hope you may expect this question for main examination. So binary search tree is a binary tree which satisfies the following property. The property is for every node X, all the keys in the left subtree should be less than the X, and all the keys in the right subtree should be larger than the X, which means if X is your root node, all the nodes on the left of the X should be less than X, and all the nodes to its right should be greater than the X. So this property is called binary search tree. Okay, so example for binary search tree, yes, here see, here 15 is your root node, all the nodes to its left are less than 15, and all the nodes to its right are greater than 15. And this property satisfies for remaining nodes also. Say here 6 is your root node or your parent node for all these nodes, 3, 2, 4, 7, 13, 9. For all these nodes, 6 is your parent. For 17 and 20, 18 is parent, right? So 2, 6, 3, 4, 2 are less than 6, 7, 13, 9 are greater than 6. And it follows for all the subtrees. So if we construct a tree in such a way, then we call it as a binary search. Very easy concept. Okay. Just by looking at the diagram, you cannot say it is a binary search tree. Okay. You need to construct a binary search tree. That is actual concept, constructing the binary search tree. And later on, you will be doing traversal techniques also, like pre-order, post-order, and in-order traversal techniques. So we'll see how to construct a binary search tree by taking a small example. So this is your example. Say 45, 65, 80, 30, 20, 10, 5, 18, 25, 6, 52, 90, and 75 are my key values or elements. Using these elements, I need to construct a binary search tree. Remember, the first element is root node. You need not arrange them in any order, ascending order or descending order. They will be in random order. The first element need to be considered as a root node. Okay. So to construct a binary search tree, the first node should be your root node. So the first node is 45. It should be your root node. Okay. Next, 65. The next node is 65. So this 65 is greater than 45. So it should be to its right of 45. It should be to its right of 45. Okay. Now next element is 80. Since 80 is greater than 45, 80 is greater than 65. So it should be on its right. So put it on its right. So next element is 30. Since 30 is less than 45, it should be on its left. Should be on its left. Okay. Now 20. The next node is 20. 20 is less than 45 and it is less than 30. So you need to search, check from the root node. Okay, you can't put blindly. Okay, 20 is less than 45, move left. 20 is less than 30, move towards left. Yes, the position is here. So 30 and 20, fine. Now next element is 10. Fine, 10 is less than 45 and it is less than 30 and it is less than 20. 10 less than 45, less than 30 and less than 20. So it is left to the 20. And next element is 5. Same, 5 is less than 45, 5 is less than 30, 5 is less than 20 and 5 is less than 10. So this is 5 is less than 10. Next element 18. 18 is less than 45. 18 is less than 45 and it is even less than 30, less than 20 but greater than 10. So it should be on right to 10, or it should be a right child to 10. So on its right. So next element is 25. 25 is less than 45. 25 is less than 30. So move left, move towards left. And 25 is greater than 20. So it should be on its right. So 20 is parent and right child is 25. Okay. And next element is 6. Since 6 is less than 45, 6 is less than 45. Okay. Less than 30, less than 20, less than 10, but greater than 5. Okay. So it should be a right child to 5. So you can't place node just like it. No, 6 is less than 25, sir. Can I place 6 to the left of 25? No. We should check from root node onwards. If it is less than root node, then to its left node. If it is less than that, left. If it is even less, left. So from root node onwards, you need to check. Okay, not blindly. So 6 is less than 45, less than 30, less than 20, less than 10, but greater than 6. So the position of 6 is to the right child of 5. It is the right child to 5. And next element is 52. 52 is greater than 45, but less than 65. Less than 65. So the position is to the left of 65. To the left of 65. Because 52 is greater than 45. Next node is 65 and 52 is less than 65. So it should be here. Okay. And next element is 90. 90 is greater than 45, less than or greater than 65 and greater than 80. So it should be the right child to 80. It should be the right child to 80. Okay. And the last element 75. So you respond in your chart window. The position of 75. The left child to which node or right child to which node? Please respond in your chart window. Is it left child to 90 or is it left child to 80 or is it right child to 52? All these options seems to be correct. Okay, but you need to follow the order. You need to start from the root node and then you need to traverse the tree from top down approach. So 75, the last node. 75 is greater than 45, greater than 65, but less than 80. So the position of 75 is to the left of 80, not to the right of 52. It is left of 80 or left child to 80. Done. This is your binary search tree for the given list of elements. Such a simple technique it is. Okay, but very important for your examination, especially the program on binary search tree. The way you insert the element into tree, the way you delete the element from a tree, the way you traverse the elements that were present in the tree. This is a bit complex thing that we will see in the next classes. So in this class only, how to construct a binary search tree. Now say I will give one more element. Let that element be 67. Not 67, 69. Okay. So 69 is my next element. I could fit out in the zone 69. People who don't know the concept of binary search tree, what they will do is they know one thing: the nodes that are left to the root node should be less, and the nodes to the right node should be greater than the root node. ఈ విషయం తెలుసండి. ఓకే, బట్ బ్లైండ్గా మీరు ట్రీని చూసి ఇలా 52కి రైట్ అనో 90కి లెఫ్ట్ అనో 75కి లెఫ్ట్ అనో ఎక్కడ స్పేస్ ఉంటే అక్కడ ఫిట్ చేసేద్దామంటే తప్పు. దట్స్ వాట్ ఐఎమ్ సేయింగ్. ఓకే, you need to check from the root node 69 and 45. 69 is greater than 45, move towards right. 69 is greater than 65, move towards right. 69 is less than 80, move towards left. 69 is less than 75, move towards left. This is the position of 69. Okay, it is neither right to the 52 or right to the 90. Okay, this is the position of 69. So yes, please respond in your chart window whether you have understood this or not. Okay, take a snapshot or a photograph. How to construct this particular binary search tree. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you. We'll meet in next class. Okay, if you have any issues, please let me know. Respond in your chat window. No issues. Understood. Good.